Ryan Gass here, PTPGun.com, and today I'm here to show you how to field strip your Canik TP9 SF. Now, as always, before we take apart any firearm, we want to double check to make sure the firearm is unloaded. So we're going to pick that TP9 up. We're going to drop the magazine out the bottom, set it to the side. We're going to check, make sure there's no round in the chamber, no magazine inserted, and we're good to proceed. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to pull that slide back and let go. Now, it's going to take apart very similar to the Glocks and or some of the Tauruses or even the Smith & Wesson SDVEs. What we're going to do is we need to pull this tab down. It's a square type shape like you see similar on the Glocks. You're going to pull that tab down, and it's on both sides. I need to pull it down from both sides, all right? When I pull it down from both sides, you might see that the slide jolt a little bit forward, all right? All right. Once I do that, I need to go ahead and pull the trigger, all right? And then we're going to go ahead and pull that slide off of that frame. Now with the frame, we're done with the frame for field stripping purposes. Go ahead and take that and set it to the side. You're going to take the slide assembly upside down. We're going to take the spring and spring guide. We're going to compress that just a little bit and pull it out and set it to the side. We're going to take our barrel, push it up and pull it out of there, set that to the side, and our slide. From here, you need to type of cleaning and maintenance you might need to do to your TP9. Let's go ahead and get back into reassembly. We're going to take our slide upside down, our barrel upside down. We're going to drop it into its place, muzzle first. Then we're going to take our spring and spring guide. We have a skinnier, more defined end, and we have a flat, rounded end. All right, we're going to take the flat, rounded end in the muzzle end of the gun, and we're going to compress that spring a little bit. It's going to get caught in the bottom of that barrel. Now we're going to bring the slide right side up, and we're going to take the frame and insert it into the back of the slide. There's a rail that extends most of the length of the gun, but it starts a quarter of the way back from the muzzle end of the gun. We're going to insert that rail into the back of the slide. We're going to match it up. We're going to pull it all the way back, and we're going to let go. Now the gun has been field stripped and reassembled, but we want to do a function check, make sure the gun is back together properly. So, keeping the firearm pointed in a safe direction, we're going to go ahead and pull that trigger. Now we're going to let go of the trigger, we're going to pull the slide back, and then we're going to repeat that. Pull the trigger, let go, pull the slide back, and let go. Now, we're going to do it a little bit different. We're going to pull the trigger to the rear, we're going to hold it to the rear, and while holding it to the rear, we're going to pull that slide back and let go. We're going to now release that trigger just a little bit until you hear that click, and then we're going to pull the trigger again. We're going to hold that trigger to the rear, we're going to pull that slide back and let go, release the trigger all the way, and put our finger back on the frame. Now, we have field stripped and reassembled and function checked our Canik TP9 SF. For more videos on how to field strip and clean your firearm, be sure to go to our YouTube channel, PTPGun.com Firearms Training. Hit the subscribe button as we post new videos each and every Friday showing you how to field strip your gun. If there's a particular gun that you'd like to see that we haven't yet done, put it in the comments below and we will make sure to get that video done for you. Also, go to PTPGun.com and go to the merchandise tab, and you can pick up any hats, shirts, koozies, stickers, anything like that. We even got new hoodies that we came out with to support your favorite YouTube channel, PTPGun.com Firearms Training. Thank you all again. Stay safe, and as always, train, defend, prevail.